Whether it's work or play, Aluma gets you where you need to be. We make the longest-lasting, most rugged aluminum trailer on the road today. No corrosion, rust, and rot. Our trailers are built to last. Highway to driveway, you'll notice the strength in the details. Haul almost anything. Cars, toys, motorcycles, snowmobiles, ATVs, even your classic cars. Our lightweight aluminum trailers will handle even your heaviest loads. A trailer that meets your needs. Our trailers are built with custom aluminum extrusions, seamless aluminum roofs, rivetless exterior walls, single axle or tandem axles. And colors? Yeah, we've got more than a handful. Our goal is to make your perfect trailer, and we built it to last. For over 20 years, we've been making our trailers smoother, stronger, and better. So 20 years from now, you'll still have an Aluma. We stand beside you with our industry-leading 5-year warranty, because every trip and every load is valued. Year after year, Aluma gets you there. Built right here in the USA. Every Aluma trailer comes standard with corrosion-resistant lightweight aluminum construction. Whether it's water, mud, or snow, work or play, Aluma trailers are ready. With dealers all across North America, excitement is right around the corner. At Aluma, every trip and every load is valued. To find the nearest dealer to you, visit www.alumaklm.com.